Keto sounds complicated. Macros, ketones, fat adapted. It's enough to make your head spin. But here's the truth. Keto is just eating foods that don't spike your blood sugar. That's it. Everything else is details. Let me show you the simple version. Keto in one sentence. Eat high fat, moderate protein, very low carb foods until you're full. The carb limit is usually 20 to 50 grams per day. What does that look like? Eggs and bacon for breakfast, a burger patty with cheese and avocado for lunch, salmon with butter for dinner, snack on macadamia nuts and cheese if you're hungry. Don't count calories. Don't weigh your food. Just keep carbs low and eat fat and protein until satisfied. 3 first steps. Step 1, learn your hidden carbs. Most people fail at keto because they don't realize what's in their food. Read labels for one day and you'll be shocked. You'll be shocked. That healthy yogurt has 20 grams of sugar. That protein bar has 30 grams of carbs. That salad dressing has both seed oils and sugar. Knowledge is power. Once you see the hidden carbs, you know what to avoid. Step 2, stock your keto kitchen. Buy butter, olive oil, coconut oil, eggs, bacon, ground beef, chicken thighs, salmon, cheese, heavy cream, avocados, macadamia nuts, leafy greens, low-carb vegetables. These are your staples. With just these ingredients, you can make hundreds of different meals. You don't need fancy keto products or low-carb processed foods. Real food is the shortcut. Step 3, track for 1 week, then stop. Download a tracking app. Log everything you eat for 7 days. Not to restrict calories, to learn where carbs hide. Most people are shocked to discover they're eating more than 100 grams of carbs without realizing it. After 1 week, you have the knowledge. You can stop tracking and eat intuitively because you now know what 20 to 50 grams of carbs actually looks like on your plate. The biggest keto mistake: chasing ketosis at the expense of food quality. People eat keto bars, low-carb bread, and processed cheese because it fits in their macros. That's not keto. That's low-carb junk food. The magic of keto isn't ketosis itself. It's removing processed garbage and stabilizing blood sugar. If you're eating real food and keeping carbs low, you're doing it right. Don't let perfect ketone readings distract you from food quality. Keto works when you keep it simple. Real food, low carbs, enough fat to feel satisfied. If you want the unfiltered truth about making health sovereignty and nutrition actually work, including the mistakes that stalled me for years, subscribe to my weekly newsletter, Anarchy RX. And for the full protocol, grab my ebook.